Okay. So good morning, everyone. So we know that no lockdown and we are in this pandemic situation. So in this period, you're all sitting at home. We are all sitting here in college and giving you or speaking to you over the through the internet basis. So I wanted to give you a few tips, like those who are really free and they are not going for any part-time work or not doing the work. So you can make use of this, and we can turn this lockdown break something positively. Okay, so we'll start. So first, I would like to say you that nurture a plant at home. Okay, so if you're really free and you're wasting your time and you don't have any classes right now, so what you can do is, and now it is monsoon, so if you plant, you can grow the plant very easily. So try to have some plants at home, or try for gardening so that you can pass your time. So you can, instead of going for flowers, you can go for herbs or vegetables so that you can have your own consumption at home. So try this, you can do it. So mostly purchased vegetables, like you have coriander leaves, most of us use this every time. So instead of purchasing it every week, what you can do is you can grow it at home and make use of that, and few herbs which we use uh, as a medicinal herbs or medicinal plant that you can try for. Then for pots, if you are um, waiting, instead of wasting the money, you can make use of whatever throwaway items that you have at home. For example, these containers that you have of the paint or any other containers, these beverage bottles that we are having, we throw it, right? So instead of that, you can make use of those bottles or the tins like this at home that you're having, and you can grow it so that you can have your own organic vegetables. Okay, so after that, next I'll tell you that enroll into any of the online classes where you can get the certificates. There are a lot of online classes which you will be getting as extra certification for. So you can have this for your resumes, you can add on that you have this extra certification course with you. So you can go for it, and you can check if you want on the internet. You have various universities or big colleges that are giving you online courses with certificate. So you have one of this is Oxford Home Study, where you will be getting, but for this, no, for the classes are free here, you will be getting the knowledge, but for certificate you need to pay sometimes. These are the foreign universities. And we also have the NPTEL course, which is through the MHRD. So you can opt for this, and for certification you need to pay again for this. So here again we have is IAMB, that is of the IAM. Okay, this college is giving the online certification course. So you can try for this and have an extra course with you. Next one, third one is build on your family relationship. So now you're free at home. So, or else what you were doing is you come to college, you will be whole day in the college. After going home, you start your study. So you'll be busy with your own world, right? Study, study, study. So now you have a time where you can make use of the family relationship or having good bonding with your family relationship. So for this you can help your parents in their work whenever they are doing. You can also go for reading good books for your grandparents, right? They have problem always with the vision. So now they are in a situation where they cannot read. Sometimes some people, they are not able to read the papers because it is hand typed very small. So in that case, what you can do is you can sit with your elders and you can read the stories or books for them of their interested area. So your time will also be passed and you'll be having good bonding with them. So you can also try with the oil massaging for your grandparents, right? They always having the problem, or they always complain about knee or back pain. So you try this, where you can have good relationship and good bonding, because the time that we is gone is already gone, so you'll not get back those memories back. So you have the time now, you're free now, you're not doing anything right now, so you can make use of this time for this purpose. Next I would like to say is you can learn new languages now. You have so many foreign languages, so English is not just an foreign language, we also have so many other foreign languages. So what you can do is you can try for this, because you can always add this, okay, a linguistic skill, that when you add it for your resume, you can also add these foreign languages. There are so many apps, if you see, are giving you the courses to study the languages. So try for this. You can learn any of one of the foreign language right now, and you can add this in your resume. So there are a lot of websites. So one I have added here is a Babbel. So you just try for it, or any other apps that you find good for you with the good reviews. If you check, you will be having good apps for learning the foreign languages. So go for it. It will have an additional plus point for you, additional plus point for your resume, additional plus point during your interview. So go for it. Uh, go for the foreign language. Next one is the fifth one. You can also try with the crafts. Many are like interested in crafts. Everyone cannot do it. Those who are interested in this particular area, you can make use of this. There are a lot of YouTube videos which will help you uh, to come up with new crafts. Make use of the things which is actually throwaway things, so you can make it into something as a decorative item. So go for it. Decorate your own room, try for it, your own reading table. So create some crafts. There are a lot of videos that you can go for. I need not say, you must have already watched it through the social media sites. So you can go for it always. So those who are really interested in this area, you can try for it. Next is, this is very much important, okay? So talk to people now. This is a time, say till now you might have forgotten someone, those who have helped you since your childhood till now. Someone might have helped you when you were going for study. Someone might have given you pocket money during your birthdays or when the classes reopened. So your uncles or your aunts, you might have forgotten them now. So this is a time when you're free, you can give them a surprise calls, make people happy by this. Talk to people whom you were not talking till now, your relatives or your friends from long time. Take the list of those people and try to contact them, speak to them. The next one we have is okay. After MBA, there may be few students who are not willing to go for job. They want to go for the business plan if you have. So what you can do is, right now you're free. So you can speak to your friends, those who want to be your partners in the business. So we have lot of such kind of initiation by the government also. So if you search here, I have given you one, www.startupindia.gov.in. So if you're having a good startups with you, you can go for it. You can register through that site. So you will come to know about the eligibility for applying for the loan from the government. So if you really want to go for business, this is right now it's a good time. You can prepare for it, well prepared for it. So search for such kind of schemes, and then you can give boost for your plans that you're already having. Next one, eighth one, prepare for a competitive exam. Like now, if you have changed your mind after MBA, don't want job in the corporate sector or MNCs, in that case, you want to go for any banks, join for the bank, or you want to go for an administrative work, you want to write IAS exam. So in that case, now you go for it. Now you go for an app. There are a lot of apps available for preparation for the competitive exam. So you can download such kind of apps, go for it, and you can prepare now, because anyhow you're not preparing for your degree exams right now. So if you're free, you can go for it. you're really serious about it, not just for time pass, and really serious about going for administrative job or for bank. So it's the time for you right now to prepare for it. If you have the study material, okay, fine. But if you don't have, you can go through these apps. There are a lot of apps which will help you for preparation of the competitive exams. Next one is interesting thing is watch a few of the documentaries that we have. Okay, if you are in the mood for something a bit more, so in that case, you can go for websites. There are a lot of websites which will show you these documentary movies, documentary films. So go for it. You can find. So I have given you here few list like documentary tube or top documentary films. If you search, you will get these things. So you'll come to know a lot of things about or those movies which are giving meaning. The next one is show your talent. If you have any skills with you, don't hide it. Okay, so there are a lot of social medias which will boost your talent. So start a YouTube channel or a blog where you can also have some monetary income from that. So therefore, if you have really any talent, don't go and don't hide it. You can make use of the social medias like YouTube channel, create your own YouTube channel or create your own blogs. So in the YouTube channel, you need to upload a videos, whereas in the case if you don't want to upload a video, you can also go for a blogs where you can upload with the pics and the narrations. You can give the narrations or the photos. So do it. Next one is write a short story. So if you're good at writing a story for a movies, for a short movies that can be made use, or you have any contact with anyone who is working for movies, so in that case you can give your stories for them which can be used for movies. So make use of it, make use of these times for your talents or your interest, identify your interest areas. A song, if anyone is good at writing or anyone is good in imaginary things, right? So in that case you can write your own song, you can dedicate to your parents or any of your role models. Next one is startup challenge. I mean, start challenges. So we have seen a lot of challenges, right? Instead of posting few pics, challenge one, challenge two photos, you can go for an healthy challenges. Like you can go for a reading challenge. Okay, challenge by going for reading a book. You need to finish it within 2 days. You're going to read this book and finish it within 2 days. Or you can also go for fitness challenges. You can also try few of the fitness workouts or any other challenges that you are willing for. Next one is very important. Deep clean your house. Okay. Reshuffling sometimes gives you an positive energy. Same place where your wardrobe is, same place if your study table was from long 20 years, if the table has not moved from that particular place, now you can reshuffle it and check whether you will be getting more positive energy out of it if you are reshuffling it. So reshuffle as well as start cleaning your home if you are not doing it right now. You give concentration on your rooms, your wardrobes, your study tables. So keep it clean always. Reshuffle it from the place or change the places that it was earlier, and try whether you will be getting or feeling positive or motivated. The next thing is you need to learn cooking now. There is no gender bias here. You both the guys and girls, you need to start learning the cooking. Now for guys or girls, because when you have taken up MBA, there are many people or students who are willing to work outside, right? So this will save your future expenditure. If you are staying in a room, you are staying in a house, rented house, in that case you need to spend so much if you're getting food from or ordering food from outside. So in that case, if you know cooking, it is good. So now it is time for you, instead of going there and then calling your mother, right, to ask for the recipe, what to do and how to do, now you can have the trial and error method. So you can try it whether you can cook or not. So try cooking. So when you have to go to work far away places, so you will be very healthy because you know to cook and you're cooking it by yourself, and you will always feel less homesick. No, most of them feel homesick when they go out is because of the food. When they eat the food, they remember their mother, right? Everyone. So this you can avoid. So less homesick. So go for cooking. Next is give extra attention to this tough subject. now you're free, all the classes are over almost. So now what you can do is organize your notes. A lot of things that are there on your phone. Now if you want to write anything on the paper or book, make it. Keep a separate notes for each subject. So arrange, organize your notes, whatever is there on the phone, and if you want to put it down on the paper, you can always do it. So write the notes if you want, organize your notes, keep everything ready. Again, you do not have to panic at the end for arranging for the notes or taking photocopy of the textbook. So arrange it right now and keep it ready. And the next one is read something completely unrelated to your subject. So try this always. Till now, if you were a commerce student, you were studying something only related to finance, accounts, and so try reading something unrelated to your subject. Till now, you were reading only comics. Now you start reading something else. So if you need to have knowledge about something else or outside the world. So if you were only into one particular area or interested in one particular area, now you can try, because reading the same thing you might be bored now. So what you can do is you can change and read something which is really unrelated to your subject and try whether it is interesting or not. Next one is try an audiobook. See, there are few who do not want to read. They feel bored, they feel sleepy when they start reading one page. So for those, you can try an audio book where whatever is there in the book will be read for you. So you need to just listen that book. So try, there are a lot of apps for audiobooks. So try this. If you are not interested to read a book, at least listen the book. Next one is see things virtually. See, now we are in such a condition that we are not able to travel, right? So what you can do is you can travel sitting at your home, that is virtual. So go for an virtual travel, like we have the guardian.com travel 2020, or you can search for few of the museums, wonders of the world. So you want to check for this, what you can do is check in the internet. There are a lot of things which will show you those places now sitting at your home. So enjoy it sitting at home, because we cannot take a risk of traveling, or we don't have that chance of traveling right now. The last tips I would like to say is important: stay healthy. So if you're healthy, then you're equal to your being wealthy. So therefore, stay healthy. For this, you need to follow an healthy as well as good tips or good habits, good food habits. So healthy habits, stay safe at home. Now there are few who are going for part-time job right now. So you need to be very careful when you're going to work outside. So you need to be taking care of your health, follow the rules to avoid this contact with the COVID-19. So you need to have good sanitization, you need to wear your mask. So those who are going outside right now, you need to be very, very careful. So these are the simple 20 tips. There may be few students who are already doing it. Still, according to me, I wanted to share you few things which will make use of your free time. So especially like going for the foreign language. So that is very important, which will add an extra plus point for you. Or else you can also go for these online classes. This will also give you an extra certification, which we can add it or show it during your interview. So stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you so much for joining for this webinar. Thank you.